In this video I am going to give you a trick by which you can use any Bollywood song without any copyright claim or copyright strike. So you will have to just search the song which you want to use. Then click on the three dots. Then click on filter. Then select Creative Commons and click on apply. So these videos will appear which are non-copyrighted. You will have to download the video from any YouTube video downloader application. And you can easily use the song without any copyright claim or strikes. So you can check the YouTube license and distribution of this video, which is Creative Commons, which means reuse is allowed. For more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends.